Ever been in a quiet room and suddenly, growl, your stomach speaks up? Let's find out why it happens. That growling sound comes from your digestive tract. It's caused by muscles contracting and pushing food, liquid, and gas through your intestines. This process is called peristalsis. When your stomach is empty, those sounds are louder because there's nothing to muffle them. Your brain signals the muscles to keep moving, just in case food is on the way. So, if you hear those grumbles, it doesn't always mean you're starving, just that your body's doing its job, keeping things moving. Next time your stomach growls, know it's just your internal orchestra tuning up for the next meal.